Here's our 2014 Chevy Cruze diesel. It's a 2.0 diesel engine. You know, the rating says this engine, or this car will get 40 some miles per gallon. However, we have sold a couple of these before, and our prior customers have told us they're averaging somewhere in the upper 50 miles per gallon. 57 is the last one we were told. This one does have a salvage title. It came to us from Illinois, from an insurance company there. It's actually surprisingly light damage. This is still the original front bumper cover to the car. We didn't paint it or anything. There was just a couple little scratches on it that we buffed off. There was some front end damage, but it was really high. We've got the hood right over here, I'll show you. But these are the original headlights. No damage, they weren't cracked. The tabs here were never damaged. There was no damage to the headlights whatsoever. It's like it caught something really high up here. This is still the original grille, but this cracked here. This is just a little plastic piece, but that cracked, so we had to buy that new. Basically, it was pretty much the leading front edge of the hood. This here is the original hood to it. You see it's the same black here, but that's the damage to the hood. You see there's really no other damage to it, just barely light damage in the front end of it. So we had to replace the hood. That's really all we had to do in the front of the vehicle. Going down and around the side here, there was no damage done on the sides whatsoever, nothing touched up on the top. There was no undercarriage damage. The rear, however, it did need a new rear bumper cover. I think what happened was it got rear-ended and then it was kind of pushed into the vehicle in front of it, is kind of my best guess. We did have to put a perfectly new rear bumper cover on it, but it did no damage whatsoever to the rear impact bar underneath there, or of course any of the sheet metal behind it. These are all still the original taillights. There was a little dent in the trunk lid about right here, and I think there was another one here. So we had the body shop repair that, but it's still the original trunk lid. Changed out the rear bumper. There was no damage or paint work to either quarter panel, roof, or undercarriage. This car actually only has 25,000 miles on it, I believe, so it's really low miles. Every option that you can possibly get in a Cruze is in this car. There's no leaks, no rattles, and of course you got the diesel engine. But go ahead and put that down. Sorry, 27,000 actual miles on it. You see here it does have, we've got one key for it. Lock, unlock, trunk, remote start. Go ahead and start it up. I'll keep my hand up here so you know I'm not trying to clear any lights on you. You see the only lights blinking is just the one telling me to put my seatbelt on, and that one's the cruise control. I can flick that one off, and this one's just saying daytime running lamps. Go ahead and turn the dash lights up a little bit just so you can see them a little bit better. Here it does have factory navigation to it. Down here we do have heated seats. Of course, AC, heats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Up here there is a moonroof. It does go back. Like I say, there's every single option that you can possibly get in a Cruze is in this car. There's backup camera. Avoid our water puddle here. There was absolutely no suspension damage to this car. I don't understand, you know, sometimes with these insurance companies, Sometimes they total them out, or they have a really good insurance policy. And you know, sometimes it's like a 1-year thing, you know, if you total out or you sustain more than $1,000 worth of damage in your first year of ownership, turn it in and get a new one. Maybe it's something like that, I don't know. They don't tell us all the details in the claim. They just offer them to us for sale, and we buy them and try to figure them out when they get here. It's got all the original drivetrain to it. We did no work whatsoever to the drivetrain. So as you can see, there's no lights on in the dash. Go ahead and turn the Cruze back on, and there I got the Cruze set at 63. We're going straight down the road. Oops, I'm not going to do this when I got a car coming. But here we're going straight down the road, letting go of the steering wheel. You can see my knees are not touching the steering wheel whatsoever. We're still going straight down the road. Doesn't pull one way or the other. Drives just like a brand new car. Does have your Bluetooth hands-free. Obviously, like I say, cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors. Again, I kind of apologize for the low light here. Looks like we do not have an owner's manual in there. Turn around here. Of course, like I say, everything here works. Their radio does have, like I say, the factory navigation, as you can see there. So that's going to conclude our video for the day. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much, and have a good day.